What if I told you that a simple piece of aluminum foil could transform an old, dull object into something so shiny it looks like it just came out of a jewelry store? Hard to believe? Then get ready, because what's about to happen might change the way you look at those forgotten items in your home. Few people know this trick. It has been kept for decades as a secret to bring life and shine back to pieces that seemed lost. And the best part? You'll spend almost nothing. The result is so impressive that many stores would rather you never find out. Let's get straight to the point. Grab a large pot and add 2 cups of water. Simple, right? Now comes the detail almost everyone ignores. Add half a spoonful of baking soda and half a spoonful of sugar. This mixture is the base of the transformation you're about to see. While the water heats up, think with me. When was the last time you looked at that silverware, that old ring, that dull fork or spoon, and thought, I guess it'll never shine again? Well, that's about to change. Now comes the star of the trick, aluminum foil. Tear 4 pieces, crumple them into balls, and set them aside. It may seem simple, but those are what make the difference. Quick fact. Aluminum has the power to attract the oxidation from silver. It's like it sacrifices itself to restore the shine to your object. So far we have water, sugar, baking soda, and aluminum. A combination that seems odd, almost like a homemade potion. But that's exactly why wealthy people swear by this method, even though they rarely share it. Now it's time. Place the 4 aluminum balls into the boiling pot. And pay attention, this is the moment when the transformation begins. If you've ever tried expensive products or sprays that didn't work, drop a yes in the comments. You're going to be surprised. Now choose your dullest silver piece. It can be a spoon, a fork, a bracelet, or even a family heirloom ring. Place it inside the pot, and here's the detail. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. During this time, the chemical reaction between the ingredients and the aluminum works to strip away the oxidation and restore the natural shine. After 10 minutes, carefully remove the piece. Take it to the sink, rinse it in cold water, and just look at this. From a lifeless, dull object to an intense shine worthy of a jewelry store display. And the best part? You didn't have to spend money on expensive products or fill your house with harsh chemicals. Just a few simple items you probably already have in your kitchen. If this trick surprised you, leave a like. Share it with someone who has forgotten pieces in their drawer, and follow so you don't miss other household secrets no one tells you. See you next time.